Hi, good morning. This is lesson 4, adding and subtracting integers with real-world problems. So the learning target is I can add and subtract rational numbers in real-world problems. There's going to be 3 of them. So let's read them and find the key terms. The first one says a rainstorm produces 2 inches of rain. So it's 2 inches. 2 hours after the rain, the sun evaporated half an inch. Then it rained 1/4 inch more. So let's set up our problem. First, it rained 2 inches, so we'll put 2 inches. Then it evaporated, dried up. How much? 1/2. And then it rained 1/4 an inch more, so that's going to be more is plus. So let's review that. It rained 2 inches. It evaporated, so it took away 1/2 inch, and then it rained a little bit more. Now you're going to put this in the Desmo calculator. I'm not going to go over the entire thing step by step, but when I put it in the calculator, I end up with 3 1/4 inches. Or you can turn it into a decimal. 1.75 inches. You can do both of those in the Desmo calculator. So this is your answers right here. Okay? That's question 2. Question 1. Question 2 says a turtle is swimming 2 1/4 feet below the surface at 8 a.m. 2 hours later, the turtle was 6 3/4 feet below. Which rational number represents the position of the turtle with respect to the water surface? Basically, it wants to know how far the turtle went down after 8 a.m. All right, so here's question 2. He went from this depth to this depth. Wants to know the difference, so I'm going to set it up like this. And again, I'm going to use the Desmo calculator. Here's what I ended up after the calculator. 33/8, or 4 1/8, and your decimal is 4.125. So all 3 of these answers could be used. Okay, so let's go to the third one. Started on a trip. Car had 12 gallons of gas. The trip consumed, well, the trip didn't consume, the car consumed 10 1/8 gallons. How much gas is left? Consumed means used. So I'm going to say 12 minus 10 1/8. Desmo calculator is going to give me 15/8, or 1 7/8. If we use a decimal, 1.875. Again, all 3 of those answers could be used. And I want to go over this part right here. How did I get this mixed number? I'm going to divide 8 into 15. 8 goes in there. 2 times would be 16, so let's say 1 time. 1 times 8, because you multiply these 2, and then you subtract. That gives you a 7. So I like to do arrows. That 1 is first, the 7 is written second, and the 8 is your denominator. So that's how I got this mixed number.